So welcome back to the channel, everyone. Triple M here. Today we're taking a look at 3 wall chargers from Aukey. Now, these 3 chargers do have power delivery, and what power delivery is, it's a new universal voltage standard, and what that does, it negotiates what voltage is right for your device. That way it provides the best voltage. So in essence, if your phone needs a fast charger, it will go ahead and negotiate and provide adequate power for that. So that's only available on USB-C. So if you have another universal charger that doesn't have the USB standard, power delivery will not be available. So we're taking a look at the 36-watt USB charger. This has dual USB-C ports. We're also taking a look at the 30-watt charger. This one has one USB-C, one USB 3.0, and last but not least, we're taking a look at the 18-watt USB-C charger. Let's go ahead and jump into it. So big shout out to Aukey for sponsoring this video. They do have a lot of cool products on their website, but their bread and butter is going to be their USB chargers with power delivery. So you can see they do have wall chargers, power bank, as well as wireless and car chargers. So speaking of power delivery, just want to give you a quick frame of reference. So what can a certain wattage or a certain voltage charge? Here are some of the power delivery rules that can guide you into what charger you want to purchase. So if your power source is about 15 watt, 5 volts, 3 amps, this should be good for your Nexus 6. When you jump up to an 18 watt, 9 volt, 2 amps, this is a sweet spot for your iPhone. So iPhone's 8, Google Pixel, as well as your MacBook E. Now anything 27 to 30 watt, you can power a MacBook, for instance. When you go over 45 watts, you can power your Dell XPS. So 27 to 30 watts can power up to a 12-inch MacBook. When you go to the 45 watt, you get into the Dell 60 watt MacBook Pro, and when you go into the 100 watt, you can power a 15-inch MacBook Pro as well as your Dell XPS. So we're going to go ahead and start with a 36 watt USB-C charger. Now what comes in the box, in all 3 boxes, the charger itself, no cable. They do have a Aukey, turn on words, that you can go ahead and peel the sticker off, put it in place. But on the back of the car, they do have the product warranty, which is pretty cool. They also have an instruction manual in each one of the booklet guides. So they do have 5 different languages, I believe. It gives you a breakdown of what to expect on each one of these devices. Now 36 watts does come with 2 USB-C ports. This is ideal, of course, for all your iPhones, your Samsung phones, as well as your small MacBook. Now the max output on this is 36 watts, but if you break it down into individual ports, you can get 18. Just looking at the size, it's pretty compact. It does fold out, as you can see there, and just an overall good looking product in my opinion. Now heading over to the 30 watt charger, this one has a USB 3 port as well as a USB-C port. Now this is ideal for your iPhones, your Pixels, your Samsung phones, as well as your smaller MacBooks and your Apple AirPod Pros, as they stated there in their website. Now 2 ports on this, of course. One is USB-C, one is USB 3.0. Now the USB-C does have that power delivery system, so it can provide anywhere from 5 volt, 3 amps, all the way up to 24 1.5 amp on the USB-C port. Now on the USB 3.0 port, you can only get 5 volts at 2.4 amps. Now the last one we're looking at is the 18 watt USB-C power delivery charger. Now this one is a solo. You can see it does flip out just like the rest of them. It's ideal for your iPhones, your Samsung phones, AirPods. Remember, it does have that power delivery system. Now just the delivery for this power delivery port, you can range anywhere from 5 volt, 3 amps, all the way to 12 volt, 1.5 amp. So just testing out the power delivery system, works well on the Samsung phone. You can see fast charging is enabled. And the 30 and 36 watt, they do have a green LED indicators on the device to let you know it's plugged in. So I'll put a couple links up where you guys can go ahead and pick them up on Amazon. The 2-port USB charger is $19 on Amazon. The single port USB-C and USB-A is currently $21, and the single port USB-C charger, 18 watt charger, is currently $10. So big shout out to Aukey again. Please drop your questions and comments in the comment section below, and I'll catch you on the next one.